Guys, this is the brake caliper of GLC, and you can see this brake caliper was defective because of in this brake caliper only the one side brake pad was wearing too much. So we also try to rotate the wheel, but wheel was stuck, so it's a jam. So we identify this brake piston is not going back, so that's why we replace this brake caliper. Now I have this caliper to remove the piston and check what are the things inside. So I give the air pressure in this hose pipe, and now this piston is came out.